Delectable Plum Jam Cookies. Plum jam cookies are a delightful treat that combines the sweetness of jam with the comforting warmth of homemade cookies. Perfect for any occasion, these cookies are sure to please both young and old alike. Our recipe yields approximately 24 cookies, making it ideal for sharing with friends and family during tea time, gatherings, or simply as a cozy snack at home. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2½ cups all-purpose flour. ½ teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 3/4 cup plum jam, or any favorite jam flavor, powdered sugar for dusting. Optional instructions. Preheat and prepare. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats for easy cleanup. Cream butter and sugar. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy using a hand mixer or stand mixer. Add egg and vanilla. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed to ensure even mixing. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the creamed butter-sugar mixture, mixing until a dough forms. The dough should be soft but not sticky. Form cookie dough balls. Roll tablespoon-sized portions of dough into balls and place them 2 inches apart on the prepared baking sheets. Use your thumb or the back of a spoon to make an indentation in the center of each dough ball. Fill with jam. Spoon about ½ teaspoon of plum jam, or your preferred jam flavor, into the center indentation of each cookie. Bake to perfection. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. The jam will bubble slightly but should not burn. Remove the cookies from the oven and allow them to cool on the baking sheets for 5 minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. Optional dusting. Once cool, you can dust the tops of the cookies with powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness and visual appeal. Tips for success. Room temperature ingredients. Ensure your butter and egg are at room temperature for optimal cookie texture. Jam choices. While plum jam is traditional, feel free to use your favorite jam flavors such as raspberry, apricot, or strawberry. Storage. Store the cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. They also freeze well for longer storage. Why plum jam cookies shine? Plum jam cookies stand out for their delicate buttery texture combined with the fruity sweetness of jam. The contrast between the soft cookie base and the slightly sticky jam filling creates a delightful sensory experience with each bite. These cookies are perfect for serving alongside tea, coffee, or as a delightful dessert option at gatherings. Subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes, baking techniques, and culinary inspirations to enhance your baking adventures. Join our community of food enthusiasts and discover new ways to delight your taste buds with homemade treats.